Mom,
Anak!
say happy birthday to Tito Boy.
Asan?
Right here.
Happy birthday, boy! Hi! Thank you pala sa mga padala. Napakasarap naman.
Anthony, nag-send ka na?
Yeah, Tita.
Boy,
Ay, isi-send mo yan?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, boy. May you have more to come. More blessings and a very prosperous year for you.
Okay.
Nadine, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle Boy. Thank you for taking me around and seeing and visiting me in the Philippines when I was there. Thank you.
Mr. Almeida, hoy.
I hope to see
Para
you
kang boy
again
ba?
and I wish you all a very happy new year.
Naka-sunglass ka pa, kunwari. Alam na kami.
Hey, Tito Ronnie.
Kasi nga,
You have some-
siya, nag-jet lag siya.
You have something to say to Tito Boy, Dad?
Wishing you happiness
birthday,
on your
boy.
birthday and always look at what I've done for you.
I'm
Ayun.
back to reality
Ito,
here.
Ito yung pinag-
Trabaho na naman. Buti ka pa, retired
So how
na.
can I help you?
Ano din na ba si Boy?
Retired na si Bo.
Tito Ronnie, do you have something to say?
Siya rito. July, darating.
Mm.
Ay, dito ngayon. July. Ay, sa birthday ni Andre.
Tito Ronnie, do you have something to say to Tito Boy?
Oh boy, happy birthday! 60. Yeah, 60 years old now. Ganun na lang, happy birthday.
How about Anthony? One more.
Hello, Tito Boy. Happy birthday. Thank you po sa pag-alaga kina Mami, kina Daddy pag umuwi po sila. Sana po makauwi ulit po ako para makabisita po. Happy birthday po ulit.
One more. Happy birthday, Tito Boy. Hopefully see you soon and enjoy your grand 60th.
Did it go through that
So,
text on that?
anyways,
And
regards
that
from
text
everybody
to my
here in
brother,
the
she
USA.
Why, Mom? Why don't you always have to talk?
All right, Tito Boy and family, Mick, Hans, Tita Annie, Kane,
Nancy.
and
No, it's
family.
okay. Just send it to me.
Okay.
Huh? What is it, chocolate?